Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and educational video for you. We are going to learn about animals in Tamil through English. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about the Tamil language, this video is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with some common animals. First up, we have the elephant, which is Yane in Tamil. Can you repeat after me? Yane. Great. Now, let's move to the lion, which is Singam in Tamil. Give it a try, Singam. Great. Now, let's move to the tiger, which is Puli in Tamil. Give it a try, Puli. Great. Now, let's move to the cow, which is Pasu in Tamil. Give it a try, Pasu. Great. Now, let's move to the buffalo, which is Yerame in Tamil. Give it a try, Yerame. Great. Now, let's move to the pig, which is Panti in Tamil. Give it a try, Panti. Great. Now, let's move to the bull, which is Kale in Tamil. Give it a try, Kale. Great. Now, let's move to the sheep, which is Semmariyadu in Tamil. Give it a try, Semmariyadu. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. Elephant, Yane, lion, Singam, tiger, Puli, cow, Pasu, buffalo, Yerame, pig, Panti, bull, Kale, sheep, Semmariyadu. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like to learn more about the Tamil language or any other language. We are here to help.